Hello and welcome to a video guide on how to perform a custom team adjustment. Custom team adjustments are fantastic for sending tips manually to a select group of people or tips in a specific way. Things like events, or maybe managers who have retained tips who made a sale when they shouldn't have. If you want to just grab those tips, send them to a select group of people, that's what I'm going to show you right now. So I'm on the breakdown page here at my restaurant Bogey's Bonanza, and you can see here in the upper left, there's an invalid take home. This is someone taking a tip home who shouldn't. In this case, Ashton Ebert was very, very busy, hopped on the floor and took a $45 sale to help out his team. Now we need to give that $45 in tips out to a actual team member that's not a manager. I'm going to click this link to breakdown, and it's going to pull up Ashton's sales. I'm going to click on this total sales amount, and it's going to bring me over to Ashton's sales on that day. So you can see here, there are $38.40 in credit card tips and $6.92 in service charges that I want to give out to specific people. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click Actions, and I'm going to click Custom Team Adjustment, and I'm going to show you option 1. I'm going to select all of these sales, and I'm going to select Customize Team. When I go to tip types, it's going to say, which tips do you want to distribute? I'm going to say all of them. And then in step 3, it's going to say, which employees do you want to distribute this tips to? Now, if I wanted to distribute these tips just to a single server, I could come down and grab Cora Renner and say, Cora should get all of those tips. Or maybe it should be split between Cora and Faye. Maybe they need to get all of those tips. In the review stage, I can send out these tips directly to these two people, and they will take the exact amount listed in this bubble here. Or I can turn on standard tip sharing rules for this sale. And what this will do is it will look at any tip sharing rules that you have active just in the tip sharing section under tip distribution logic, and it will apply those first. So maybe managers are set up to tip out bussers a little bit and hosts a little bit before this goes out. If you select this, those busser and host rules will fire first, and these two people will split the remaining amount. Fantastic option for events, fantastic option for one-offs and things like that. As soon as I click submit, the system will get to work, and you'll see that these distributions are now marked with a blue bubble. And a couple minutes later, your distributions will be ready. If you do need to remove a custom team adjustment or edit a custom team adjustment or view who made it and when, all of that information is going to be available just by clicking on that blue distributions bubble and making the right selection. You can also now, from our new reporting tool, filter for custom team adjustments by clicking more filters, going to sales, and then clicking sales with custom team adjustments. If you ever need to find previous adjustments and edit them for any reason, this is the fastest way to find them. Hopefully you find this useful, and hopefully you have fun adjusting sales and cleaning up your data easier than ever before.